There are many products available to choose electric guitar, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best electric guitar from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. RockJam Electric Guitar. The RockJam Electric Guitar Super Kit with 10-watt amp, gig bag, picks, and online lessons is designed for beginners and aspiring guitarists who want to learn to play electric guitar. We love this electric guitar super kit because it provides everything a new guitarist needs to get started. From the amp to the gig bag to the online lessons, this kit offers excellent value for the price. The RockJam electric guitar in this kit is a full-sized instrument made from a basswood body. It features an ergonomic ST design with a striking high-gloss finish, with 3 single-coil pickups, a pickup selector, 2 tone controls, a volume control, and a whammy bar. This guitar offers a versatile range of tones and effects. The metal gearheads ensure more accurate tuning, while the included 10-watt guitar amplifier with tone and gain controls allows for versatile sound amplification. Number 2. Donner 39-inch LP Electric Guitar. The Donner 39-inch LP electric guitar is designed for beginners who want to learn how to play the electric guitar. We love the Donner 39-inch LP electric guitar because it offers an excellent quality instrument at an affordable price. It is perfect for beginners who are just starting their musical journey. The purpose of the Donner 39-inch LP electric guitar is to provide beginners with a solid-body electric guitar that is easy to play and produces a great sound. The key features of this guitar include humbucker pickups, which offer a wide range of tones suitable for various music genres. The neck is made of okume wood with a C-shaped profile, providing a comfortable grip while playing. The guitar also comes with 22 copper-nickel frets, with fret position marks for easy navigation. Number 3. Ibanez GRGM 21 Geo Mikro Mini Electric Guitar. The Ibanez 6-string solid-body electric guitar, right-handed, white GRGM21WH, is designed for both professional and beginner guitarists who are seeking a versatile and high-quality instrument. This electric guitar is suitable for various music genres, including rock, metal, blues, and jazz. We are impressed by the exceptional performance and affordability of the Ibanez 6-string solid-body electric guitar. It delivers a powerful sound, excellent playability, and sleek aesthetics, all at an affordable price point. This electric guitar is suitable for players of all skill levels, from beginners to experienced musicians. The Ibanez 6-string solid-body electric guitar is specifically designed to provide players with a reliable and versatile instrument for various musical styles. It features a solid body construction, right-handed design, and a beautiful white finish. Number 4. Fender Squier by Fender Mini Strat Beginner Electric Guitar. The Fender Squier by Fender Mini Strat Beginner Electric Guitar. Rosewood fingerboard, metallic orange, Amazon exclusive color, is designed primarily for beginners and young musicians who are looking for an electric guitar that is easy to handle and play. It is also a great option for those who need a portable guitar for traveling or have limited storage space. We love this electric guitar because it offers exceptional playability and a rich variety of tones, all in a compact and stylish design. The shorter 22.75 string scale and small neck profile make it comfortable for beginners and players with smaller hands to navigate the fretboard with ease. The downsized 3/4 size body ensures a comfortable playing experience without sacrificing on sound quality. Number 5. ZENY 39 in full-size electric guitar. The ZENY 39 in full-size electric guitar with 10W amp, case and accessories pack beginner starter package in black is the perfect choice for those who are just starting their guitar playing journey. It is designed to cater to beginners, offering them an easy and smooth learning experience. We like this electric guitar because it provides everything a beginner needs to get started. It not only includes the guitar itself but also comes with a 10W amp, a nylon carrying case, extra strings, a strap, a cable, and guitar picks. This all-inclusive package ensures that beginners have everything they need to start playing right away. The ZENY 39 in full-size electric guitar is specifically designed for beginners who want to learn how to play the electric guitar. The guitar features a right-handed design and comes with a nylon carrying case, making it perfect for traveling musicians. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.